Here's how you can have carpet installed throughout your entire home in only one day with the help of the Home Depot. Today, we get to start the most important project, and that is our son's nursery. It's bare. There's no carpet, the paint needs to be changed, there's so much that needs to get done. We have some help. We have the Home Depot Carpet Services. They're coming out for a measurement. They're gonna measure this carpet for this room, for our nursery, and then our guest bedroom over here. First step to having brand new carpet installed in your home is reaching out to Home Depot Services for a carpet measurement appointment. What's going on? How are you?
I'm doing well. I'm Tony Home Depot. I'm here to do some measurements for you guys.
Oh, we need it bad.
Oh my God, I am here to help. Well, let's start with this project here.
Let's do it. So these are gonna be the two bedrooms.
Okay, so we have bedroom number one.
So this will be
The nursery.
Yeah.
We're giving the baby the bigger room.
All
We're
right.
taking one for the team.
How nice of you guys.
I know, right?
I don't know why, but I was worried that this whole process was gonna be super invasive and pushy, but that could not be further from the truth. Tony spent the next 5 minutes measuring the exact layouts of both of our rooms, which was amazing because we weren't talking in hypotheticals anymore. We were able to talk about exactly what our home needed.
All right, guys. Well, I'll finish all the measurements and everything. So, like I said, it's about 52.67 square yards of material throughout the area, and I plugged in also the selection for you guys. And also, hey, how about the padding? You guys mentioned earlier
Totally.
maximum comfort in the bedroom.
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, our baby's gonna be crawling around there.
Oh my
so-
Yeah, like learning to sit up and walk, they fall over. It's gotta be extra cushiony for their head.
Just to let you guys know, Home Depot is the grocery store for your home.
Oh, yeah.
You got your flooring to the ceiling and everything in between.
After about a 20-minute appointment with Tony, we now had our selections down, and he was able to give us an exact quote for how much it was gonna cost us. And I don't know about you, but I hate feeling pressured in person by a salesperson. And it was great because he emailed the quote to us, so Kylie and I were able to talk it over. We booked the appointment, and now we finally get to see it come to life.
Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you.
Thanks so much.
You guys have a wonderful weekend.
You
That's
too.
it. See you next time.
Have a good one.
You too.
So they just installed all these tack strips in 3.5 minutes in this entire room. That's how quickly they go. So I'm really excited to see how fast they're going. We're still doing the other room right now, but this is just insane. So they said they could carpet an entire 2,000 square foot house in a day, and I absolutely believe them after seeing this so far. So it's currently 8:48. They showed up at 8:18. So 30 minutes after them pulling up to my driveway, they already have all the tack strips done and the carpet padding installed in this room and that room, which is absolutely nuts considering 10 minutes of this was explaining that I was going to shoot this YouTube video and that they were going to be on camera. So honestly, between them pulling up to your driveway and 20 minutes later, they could have 2 bedrooms completely done and ready for carpet, which is just nuts. So they could absolutely install carpet throughout your whole house in one day, which I think is really cool because it's not very invasive and they'll just be in and out in one day. So we'll see how fast they get this done. Now we finally get to see this project come to life, and I just can't wait. They're gonna be cutting the carpet out here, and then they're gonna bring it inside and then install it. Could not be more excited about this carpet. It's actually from the Home Depot's designer carpet picks. Ours is from their LifeProof collection in the style Abbott's Gate and the color linen. But the great thing about all of their designer picks is they just make being on trend super effortless. They give you a high-end design without the hefty price tag. And the thing that I love, especially since we're having a kid, is you don't need to stress over maintenance. They're made from high-performance fibers, so it makes cleaning super simple. So it's currently 9:08, so they've been here for 50 minutes, 50. They've done all the carpet, tack strips, they've done all the padding, and they've got the main row of carpet already done in this room and that room. It feels so good. I just want to like lay on it. And this is literally going to be our nursery. Like there's going to be a crib right here. Son's going to love it. He's going to learn how to crawl on this carpet. He's going to learn how to walk on this carpet. And I just can't wait. So now it's currently 9:21. So they have all the carpet pretty much down. And they have the seam right here. So I'm really curious to see how seamless it looks at the end of it. I know they're gonna do a great job, but it's really cool seeing it all now carpeted. And then they just need to do the finishing touches. But literally an hour and 4 minutes since they've arrived, this bedroom and that bedroom looks like this. Crazy. So right now, to get rid of the seam, what we're doing, or not me, but what they're doing is there's an adhesive strip they put that was like orange. I don't know if you saw it already. Right now they're just heating it up right where the seam is, and then they're able to kind of fold the carpet back down where the seam is and just kind of roll it out, and then it'll be seamless. So we'll see how it looks afterwards, but I'm pretty confident that it's gonna look chef's kiss. So right now you'll never believe it, but there is a seam somewhere on this camera, and as proof, there it is. He's working on it right now, and the process is pretty cool, but you can't see it at all. Just look at it. So right now what they're doing is they're cutting all of the carpet excess off, and then they're using this little like, what would you call that, a stretcher? Like a carpet stretcher?
Knee kicker.
A knee kicker, and they use their knee to kind of like stretch out all the carpet into place. And then this is what it looks like once it's done. It's completely tucked in into the tack strips, and it looks super sleek. And then it'll be ready for baseboard once we install them. Like I said before, this is gonna be our son's nursery, and before I show you the true before and after this carpet installation, we gotta do it right. So to get the room ready, we went back to the Home Depot, we bought a ton of furniture and started assembling it, and then I also got some 12-foot boards of shiplap and some paint, and I think he's gonna love, well, he's a baby, but eventually he's gonna really appreciate this, I promise. And after all that, our nursery is finally finished, and it looks amazing, and we couldn't have done it without the Home Depot. From start to finish, from reaching out to them, to having the measurement appointment, the installation appointment, it was probably the most simple and easy thing I've done in this entire home. And we've done a lot. We didn't care about a kitchen, we didn't care about a living room, bathroom. We wanted the nursery to be ready for when we bring our son home from the hospital. And now it is. He's gonna make so many memories in here. He's gonna learn to crawl, walk right on this carpet. If he falls, it's nice and soft. So we just couldn't be happier with this. So if you need carpet or want carpet in your home, reach out to the Home Depot. There were so many things we wouldn't have thought of that they were able to give us professional advice. We didn't feel like we were pushed or trying to be sold to. It was just a really seamless and comfortable experience. So reach out to the Home Depot, get some new carpet, and trust me, you won't be disappointed.